Hello friends, my name is Emma. Welcome back in our YouTube channel, Tell Me Data. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your NYSC membership. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Before cancellation, please read this policy. As shown on your screen, you are allowed to cancel your NYSC membership under the following circumstances. Early termination, the required notice must be provided with an early termination fee. Medical cancellation, you can cancel your membership due to your medical conditions only if you provided your original documents along with the cancellation fee to the sports club. Moving cancellations, you will need to provide a receipt of the original relocation documents, the state regulation for minimum distance, the cancellation fee, and the notice period that will change. Method 2. Cancel NYSC membership via in-person. Go to any of your local NYSC gym clubs and ask them to cancel your membership. You can talk to the in charge of the gym regarding your membership cancellation. Bring your necessary documents with them like your ID, membership card to the gym. Note, it is not compulsory that in order to cancel your NYSC membership, you have to go to the same gym from where you took its membership. You can visit any of the NYSC gyms. Method 2. Cancel NYSC membership by using certified mail. Compose a mail or letter to the NYSC gym that clearly defines your desires regarding your membership cancellation. Your full name, address, and date of birth must be included in the mail. Include necessary information. Along with basic details, provide some necessary details like contact number, account information, membership number, and so on in your composed mail. Ask about the confirmation email or number. At the time of cancellation, ask the representative about the confirmation number or email. Look for the address of your club. Use the Find a Gym page to locate the address of the club you intend to visit. Send a written letter through certified mail. Finally, send the composed letter to the given gym via certified mail. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can cancel your NYSC membership. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.